condition, downstream transformations would get called, which is what happens with this particular job. No? So let's now the next is what. So now we all know that how to call what I call set of jobs in what I call sequence. We could always do that, yeah, by using this set of transformations. Yeah, that's what we have done. Yeah, that's okay. So Ganesh, we'll have this for short time. No, yeah, actually I'm not well, so we'll have it for just 20-30 minutes. Yeah. So I'm just trying to recap it because we have already discussed these things earlier. Yeah. So now let us start checking what I call other job entries, or let us say within this job we can just use any file based what I call job entries or file based steps which will be used what I call to copy the files from source to a destination. Yeah. So that we can specify. I think this we have not tried yesterday, so we can try that. I think I asked you guys to what I call focus on this what I call exercise. Yeah. I don't know whether you guys have done it or not, but let me show one example. So we can specify any folder or what any file. Yeah, let's go to what yeah, let us select this and select what C drive, and we'll try to copy all the input files to some other location so that you'll get to know how to copy from one to another. Yeah? And then similarly we need to specify the destination. Yeah. So destination, let us say, oh, I think you can put what. Yeah, let me put one, or let me create one folder, separate folder, so that you'll get to know how the copy is going to take place. Yeah? I'll just create one temp folder. Yeah. Now with this yeah, temp copy, so let's create a folder and start copying it to that location. Yeah? So let's go over here and select that folder. Yeah, let me specify this temp copy. Yeah, so we can specify this and start performing a copy. Yeah, then add this. So can you see here source and destination folder? If you want to specify, you can specify a regular expression like a star or whatever you want, and then make a copy. Save it and run this. Yeah, so launch. Yeah, so job got failed. We can see the reason why it got failed. Yeah. Cannot copy a file or folder to what I call destination, which is near index 0. It is saying input to C temp copy, exception which is dangling meta character, it seems. Okay, so it didn't take what I call that regular expression part. So here, so let us try to what I call specify star.txt. There is a problem with the while character. Let's see if this works. If not, we'll go with the normal copy files. Now let us run this. I think it got failed again. Yes. So this wildcard is not working. Let us see here. Yeah. Folder to folder copy. Let us try this. There are small bugs here and there. Open source means you'll have this kind of issues. Yeah. And now we can see here, right? So wildcard is null. So there is a copy that has been taken place. Finish job entry. And now we can go and look at what it call. Can you see here? Now the files have been copied from source to destination, irrespective of whether it is a text file or Excel sheet or whatever. It's a complete copy of one folder to another folder. So that's what we can see here, right? So which means in input folder you will have 3 input files. So all of them have been copied to this guy. This is a complete folder copy. We can also use what I call copying only individual file. So this here we try to copy what complete are all the files from one particular folder. Yeah. Let us try to specify a file. So I will copy one file from source to destination. Yeah. Let's say this is the one, and then we can specify a destination which can be a folder. Let's say C colon temp cp. Yeah. Let's add this. So we have specified what source, which is a file name, and target is what folder path, right? Now let us try to run this to look at the output. Yeah. 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 Now there is a customer under target.txt has been copied to this. You can see here. So now we can go and look at the output here, where we can see that file. It's got copied. Right? So very simple. Means if you think real-time perspective, what we could do here is, so you'll get data onto some area, which is staging area or some other area. Now, after successful completion of this process, if you want to copy or if you want to archive and copy it in some other location, we could use this kind of copy files job entry or copy files activity through which we can archive the data. That's how we can take care of what I call, or we can use these copy files in real time. Yeah. Now let's get into what I call other what I call job entries. Now I think rest of the what I call job entries, like we have create folder, create file, delete file, all that I think we have tried. So same thing, you guys can start